Today we will pass the journal entries of various transactions in dissolution. See this problem. Abhishek, Manav and Vishwa are partners in a firm. They decided to dissolve their firm. Pass necessary journal entries for the following after various assets into bracket other than cash bank and the third party liabilities have been transferred to realization account. First, there was a stock of rupees 80,000. Manav took over 50% of the stock at a discount of 20%. Second, there were debtors of rupees 66,000 and a provision for bad and doubtful debts also stood at rupees 6,000. Rupees 12,000 of debtors proved bad and rest were realized fully. Third, realization expenses amounted to rupees 5,000 made by Vishwa on behalf of the firm. Fourth, a contingent liability which was not provided for rupees 1,000 was also discharged. Fifth, there was a balance of rupees 30,000 in the general reserve. And last, a computer which was not recorded in the books was sold for rupees 1,000. Okay, so let's solve the problem. See, in this problem, Abhishek, Manav and Vishwa, these are the three partners. They decided to dissolve the firm, to close the firm. Pass necessary entries for the following after various assets other than cash and bank and third party liabilities have been transferred to realization account. So we have to pass the journal entries here. They told us that from the given balance sheet they have already transferred assets to realization account debit side and third party liabilities to realization account credit side. Cash bank account was already transferred to cash bank account as its balance. So now we have to pass the journal entries for following transactions. Okay, so first entry, there was a stock of rupees 80,000. It means in balance sheet stock of rupees 80,000 was given, which was transferred to realization account debit side. And now Manav took over 50% of the stock at a discount of 20%. 50% of the stock was taken over by Manav. 50% of 80,000 will be rupees 40,000. But he took over 40,000 rupees worth stock at a discount of 20%. Means we have to deduct 20% discount from 40,000. 20% of 40,000 will be 8,000. And after deducting 8,000 from rupees 40,000, the amount will be rupees 32,000. So Manav took over that stock for rupees 32,000. Okay. So the entry will be Manav's capital account debit 32,000 to realization account 32,000 and the narration will be 50% stock taken over. ओके, तुम्हाला कळलंय 32,000 32,000 कसे आले ते 80,000च्या 50% म्हणजे 40,000. 40,000 रुपीजचा स्टॉक मानव टेकन ओव्हर करतोय पण 20% डिस्काउंटला म्हणजे 20% डिस्काउंट कमी करून. सो 40,000च्या 20% म्हणजे 8,000. 8,000 आफ्टर डिडक्टिंग 8,000 द अमाउंट विल बी 32,000. ओके, नाउ द सेकंड एंट्री. There were debtors of rupees 66,000 and provision for bad and doubtful debts are stood at rupees 6,000. We know that they have transferred debtors 66,000 to realization account debit side and provision to realization account credit side. Now rupees 12,000 of debtors proved bad and rest were realized fully. From debtors original amount 66,000, 12,000 debtors proved bad. So We have to deduct 12,000 from debtors amount, that is 66,000, and the amount will be, remaining amount will be 54,000. We have to pass only the entry of debtors realized for rupees 54,000. So the entry will be cash bank account debit 54,000 to realization account 54,000. Narration will be being the debtors realized. Okay, this will be the narration of this transaction. Now the next transaction, realization expenses amounted to rupees 5,000 made by Vishwa on behalf of the firm. It means realization expenses rupees 5,000 were paid by Vishwa on behalf of the firm. So the entry will be realization account debit to Vishwa's capital account. Amount is rupees 5,000. Narration being realization expenses paid. It means this entry is passed in debit side of realization account to partners capital account, because she is paying the realization expenses. It means she is paying the liability on behalf of the firm. So the entry will be just like the liability taken over by the partner, entry of the liability taken over by the partner. So the entry is like this. Now the fourth entry. See the fourth entry now. Fourth entry, a contingent liability not provided for, means not given in the problem. Rupees 1,000 was also discharged, means was also paid. So we have to make the payment of this liability. So the entry will be realization account debit amount is rupees 1,000 to cash bank account rupees 1,000, and the narration will be given contingent liability paid. It is given in the sentence. So writing narration is very easy. And now the fifth entry. There was a balance of rupees 30,000 in general reserve. We know that we have to transfer the general reserve to partners capital account and distribute between the partners. They told us that there was a balance of 30,000 in general reserve, means general reserve is given in liability side rupees 30,000, which will be transferred to partners capital account and distributed between the partners. So the entry will be general reserve account debit to Abhishek's capital account, to Manav's capital account, to Vishwa's capital account. Total amount of general reserve is rupees 30,000, which will be distributed between the partners equally, because no profit sharing ratio is given in this problem. So they will get 10,000, 10,000 and 10,000. Okay. Narration, general reserve transferred, or you can say distributed between the partners. Okay, this will be the narration. And now the last journal entry of this problem, that is sixth journal entry here. A computer which was not recorded in the books was sold for rupees 1000. So assets sold here which was not recorded in the books. So we have to pass the journal entry. Cash bank account debit 1000 to realization account 1000. Narration being unrecorded computer sold. Okay, understood? So it's very easy to pass the entries directly in this topic. That's all.